If you've watched the above clips, I hope that you agree that the enhancements are very exciting and should improve your enjoyment and productivity, whatever you use your Caddie for. If you haven't already installed your copy of Caddie 26, click on the link on the screen now, or type it into a browser to go to the Caddie website, and there you'll find an option to download your own copy. If you're currently maintained or have an active license, your Caddie 26 should automatically start in a fully licensed mode. If not, it will start in demo mode, where you can still try out the new functionality for yourself, but you won't be able to save your drawings. If you have any problems with downloading or installing Caddie, don't hesitate to contact Caddie support. You can telephone your local Caddie office or just send an email to support@caddiesoftware.com. And if you're not currently licensed for Caddie 26, but you'd like to upgrade or purchase a copy, again telephone your local office or send an email to sales@caddiesoftware.com. Most of the new functionality that we put into Caddie is a direct result of user feedback. So if there's something you are hoping to see in Caddie 26, or something you'd like to see in a future release, use the software links above to let us know. We really value your input. We appreciate you taking the time to watch the videos, and from all the Caddie team, thank you for your support and your continued use of Caddie. We hope that you enjoy your new Caddie 26.